This video is just going to be a quick little tutorial on how to use a newly designed Toyota steering wheel. So over on this side of the steering wheel, all these arrows are to control the little screen up here known as the multi-information display. This back arrow is to clear any warnings or pop-up that are popping up here. So if I press it, it just clears it, just like so. This little phone button is to answer and hang up your phone. It's just one button for both. Down here you have your volume up and down. It works for your phone and your radio controls. The button right next to that looks like a little person talking. That is your voice command button. Now there are three most common uses for that. The first is to make phone calls. You can say things like call John Smith. The next is to tune to your radio station. So you can say things like tune to 104.5. And if you have navigation in your car, you can also use it to search for addresses with your voice. Now over to this side of your steering wheel, your mode button is to change your audio source. So you can tune from AM to FM to XM to Bluetooth, so on and so forth. The buttons right next to that are your seek and tracks. You can change your song or go through your radio presets while remaining hands-free. Up to this dial, these are all your cruise control settings. So you have your on and off switch here. Down the bottom you have set and decelerate your speed. The top you have resume and accelerate, and you have your cancel switch here in the middle. This top button right here goes along with your adaptive cruise control and lets you adjust that distance setting between you and the car in front of you. And the button right below that is your lane departure on and off switch. And that is how to use your newly designed steering wheel.